In this video, I'm going to show you some techniques you can use with a therapy ball or a rubber ball to help your feet as you're working on making them more functional. When we wear modern footwear, our toes tend to get scrunched together and our feet tend to get stiff and weak. So as you work on the natural movement exercises using the foot wedges, this definitely should help with that. As you're working out the kinks, if you want to add in a little bit of massage with a therapy ball, this can help you as you're transitioning to more functional feet. So my favorite ball to use is my Yoga Tune-Up Therapy Ball. You can also substitute a Pinky Ball, which is a pink rubber bouncy ball that you can sometimes find at the dollar store, Dollar Tree and Dollar General. I find them at around here. If you use the Mount Method hand and foot balls, I would use the soft one that's air-filled. And you can substitute with another kind of ball, but if it's a really hard ball, just be gentle with the pressure because that can really hurt. So what we're gonna do is massage forward and backward along the length of the foot. So you want to do this not just at the center, but at the inner part and the outer part as well. So try to paint the whole foot with the ball. Put your heel down and put the ball behind the row of knuckles and massage back and forth using your heel as the pivot point. You can put the ball under the row of knuckles and swipe back and forth a few times right under the knuckles. You can also back up a little more and squeeze the ball with your toes and then open up your toes, wiggle them around, squeeze, wiggle. You can practice lifting the big toe only and the little toes only and going back and forth a few times. Put the ball of the foot down and massage back and forth in front of the heel, using the ball of the foot as your pivot point here. And then put the ball at the back part of your arch. You're gonna push the heel down and push the foot down into the ball and drag the ball towards the inside of the arch. So you're grabbing the skin and dragging it. You're not just rolling. You're kind of trying to grab the tissue and then pull the tissue in towards the inside of your foot. This is a plow technique in Yoga Tune-Up. Do that a few times. And then move a ball, put the heel down and move the ball a little towards the center of the arch and push down, grab and drag. Drag that ball to the inside without simply rolling. You're trying to grab the skin and the fascia and rolling it towards the inside of the arch a few times. This could be pretty intense, so do this to tolerance. And then just roll the ball around randomly like you're scribbling all over your foot. In Mount Method, this is known as friction technique. Okay. And then just switch sides, roll along the front of your foot back and, roll along the length of the foot. Move to the inner, the middle, and the outside. Put the heel down, roll the ball back and forth behind the big toe knuckles, pivoting on your heel, and then move the ball under the knuckles, back and forth. Back up a little more. Squeeze the ball with your toes and then open them up, wiggle them around, squeeze like you're gripping the ball. Open up, wiggle. You can try it lifting just the big toe, just the little toes, back and forth. Put the ball of the foot down and using the ball of the foot as your pivot point, massage in front of the heel. Pressure to tolerance. And now push onto the ball and drag the ball towards the inside of the arch. So you're trying to grab that skin and the fascia and drag it inwards. We're not simply rolling like this. You're pushing down, grabbing the tissue and kind of sliding the tissue in slowly. And then put the heel down. Now you're more at the middle of the arch. Push down and drag inside to the inner arch a few times here. Okay. And then just scribble the ball all around your foot. So this helps improve your proprioception in your feet. So just feeling where your foot is in space, increases circulation, improves the pliability of your feet. If they feel very stuck in one certain shape, this can help them become more mobile and help wake them up a bit. And as you use the foot wedges more and your feet become more and more functional, you should need to do this less to help you on this journey.